In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up approvals in Jira for your Atlassian projects. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira Work Management project. Once there, at the top of the interface, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Approvals. This view is where all of your approval processes will be managed and fine-tuned, making it an essential part of ensuring your workflow stays organized. Once you have the Approvals view open, you'll notice an option to Set up Approvals. Click on that option, and we can begin creating a new approval process for your project. The first decision you'll need to make involves selecting the workflow to which you want to apply the approval. Workflows are the backbone of any Jira project, guiding tasks through various stages, so it's important to choose the appropriate one for your needs. Next, you'll decide on the specific status within that workflow that should trigger an approval form. This means that once a task reaches this status, an approval will be required to move forward. This setup is crucial for maintaining checks and balances, ensuring that only verified and approved tasks make their way through to completion. Having selected the status, you'll be directed to the Workflow Editor screen. Here, you can start adding connections and other statuses, such as a For Approval status. A common workflow example is moving tasks from To Do to In Progress. This setup keeps your team aware of what needs to be prioritized. Within this workflow, you can establish a condition where any task in the In Progress status requires approval to proceed. For instance, if a task reaches the For Approval status, it can either go back to In Progress if the necessary approvals are denied, or move forward to Done if the task is approved. This creates a clear and efficient path for task management, allowing only approved work to advance while giving the opportunity to reevaluate or refine tasks as needed. At this point, it's completely up to you to edit and create your approval workflow according to the specific needs of your project. Take the time to customize this process to ensure that it aligns with your team's goals and operational structure. You've now set up a robust approval process that can significantly enhance your project management in Jira. And that's all there is to setting up approvals in Jira. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project continues to run smoothly with the necessary oversight and control over every stage. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.